Hi folks, today I'm going to show you this USB flash. These are useful if you do photography filming and you've got a lot of content on your smartphone and you don't want to put it online and you want to put it onto one of these. Okay, so I've just bought this from Amazon for about £10. Now for your courses this might be useful. Right, so get this, just open it up. Okay, plug it into your computer like you're charging your phone. Yeah, just log in. So log into your phone. Okay, so log into your phone and then go to Files. If you're using a Samsung, go to Files, go to Images. Okay, so I've got some random images. So if I select this image and go to Copy To, and it's going to ask me where do I want to save it to. So if I go to USB storage, I've made some folders in here. I can copy it into there and basically just copy it onto there, and it'll take a couple of seconds, and now that's copied onto this. Okay, so if I just rephrase that again, you go to Files, go to Images, select the images or select all, select your images. So if I select that one, go to Copy, move to USB, and then just copy here, and then that will save onto this USB stick. So now this will save you a lot of memory space. So if you're filming and you've got a lot of video content on your phone and you don't want to put it on OneDrive or you don't want to pay online storage, get yourself one of these. So that's 128 gigabytes, so it'll be good for your course, and you can put all your stuff onto this memory stick, and in that way it's a bit easier for you to manage. Okay, thank you.